Is it possible to connect multiple Bluetooth speakers to my TV without Bluetooth?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll explore a fascinating topic. How can you connect multiple Bluetooth speakers to a TV that doesn't have Bluetooth? It may sound challenging, but with the right tools and methods, it's quite achievable.
Why would you want to do this?
First, it's worth understanding the motivation behind this setup. Many people love the idea of having surround sound in their living rooms or home theaters. Bluetooth speakers are portable, convenient, and often produce high-quality sound. However, if your TV doesn't support Bluetooth, there's still a way to make this setup work. Let's dive into the methods.
What will you need?
To achieve this setup, you'll primarily need two things. 1. A Bluetooth transmitter that connects to your TV. This device will take the audio from your TV and broadcast it as a Bluetooth signal. 2. A Bluetooth speaker hub or a multiple speaker connection tool. This device will allow multiple Bluetooth speakers to connect and play the TV sound simultaneously.
How do you set it up?
Follow these steps to establish the connection. 1. Connect the Bluetooth transmitter to your TV via the audio output. This can be through a headphone jack, RCA, or even optical output, depending on your transmitter's inputs. 2. Turn on the transmitter and set it to pairing mode. It will start searching for Bluetooth devices. 3. Activate your Bluetooth speaker hub or multiple speaker connection tool and set it to pairing mode. 4. Once the transmitter finds and connects to the hub or tool, all the speakers connected to that hub or tool will start receiving audio from the TV.
Are there limitations?
Yes, there are a few things to consider. 1. Sound delay. Bluetooth connections can introduce a delay between the video on the TV and the audio coming out of the speakers. This is known as latency. Make sure the devices you purchase specifically mention low latency. 2. Range. The range of Bluetooth is typically up to 30 feet, unobstructed. If your speakers are too far from the transmitter, you might experience disconnections or reduced sound quality. In conclusion, while connecting multiple Bluetooth speakers to a non-Bluetooth TV might seem complex initially, with the right equipment, it's entirely feasible. Always research the devices you plan to buy and ensure they fit your specific requirements. We hope this video was informative and helps elevate your audio experience. Happy listening!